welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and this is Wine and Dip. I am showing you how I finished off my really cute Thanksgiving mani on my left hand. Right now I have on Seashell, those are the light colors, Vividip 5, that's the brownish color, and Golden Goddess. So I'm using my Triple D liquids to get this look, and I finished off this mani with some Poshy decals. So I'm using the items that I received in my Diva box for November, and everything in there was kind of like this, more on like the chocolatey tone. So I wanted to use these really cute decals to create a mani that tied all the colors in together. So I take the water slide decal, I put it into my cute little dish that I got from, where did I get that from? Oh, the nail prop shop, they make those now. And I'm going to take my sticky base coat and put that onto the nail that I want to place the water slide on. I also am using my stamper, my jelly stamper, to make this easier. And the sticky base coat's awesome. So I place that on my nail. It really only needs to dry for about 10 seconds. And then I'm able to place the decal right on it. And like so, I'm placing it where I want it. And I accidentally rip it, whoops, and then I just put it back together because everything kind of just worked, and so it was fine in the end. So I ripped it and it was okay. So I'm just kind of pressing down the decal, and I am pressing down the edges, and then I'm just going to take this really fine brush, it's like a really skinny brush, and some acetone, and I'm just going to melt down the edges so it molds onto my finger now the way that I want it to. If you've never used decals before, this is only the second time that I've used them, but they're really easy to use. I think using the sticky base coat makes it really easy, and then also I'm going to clear cap it, so I'm going to put a layer of clear dip powder over top of it, and I think that also makes it very smooth looking, so you'll see me do that. And then I did something a little different with my middle finger. I actually put the decal on and then I ombre'd some glitter on it, so it's kind of ombre from the top corner of the nail into the decal, which is on the bottom corner of the nail. So you'll see me do that. So that's me just measuring it kind of like I did on my right hand. And my left hand didn't come out exactly like my right hand, but I like that. It's kind of different because you really can't get the placement exact every time, and maybe some people can, I cannot. So I'm just going to show you how I did that look, and then I will be back. So after I clear capped, I'm going to activate, and then I do actually buff over the clear cap to just smooth everything out, and I just show you really quickly here that I did that. And now I'm ready to finish up these two nails with some top coat and use some cuticle oil. So I left that in so you could see me finishing up these nails. I wait the 2 minutes, and now I'm putting on the top coat. I really love how this mani turned out. It was gorgeous. I did not want to take it off. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.